Phi quá ban grandparent haoy nga quá ban nam grandparent ale ngin hikaya phi ada phi oseng chung man toy na kane ka video onam glad ban share lam shiki par hok la ne hayang asam jong phi onam glad ro ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel le ngin ye pe ya kane ka chung hikai. Do you speak English? Kasi Phi one grandparent. Yes, little bit. Haoy malu mala. Do you want to improve? Kasi Phi quá ban nang kham ban ba. Yes, I'm really happy if you help me. Kasi haoy nga kemen palat lada piara penga. I was dreams for so long. Kasi nga la pos new la kam slamba. But I didn't expect you are willing to help me. Kasi tang ba nga klem poi perkan ba pi gloy ban yarap yanga. When we will start? Kasi lano nginstang. As you free. Kasi kat ba pi like por. I'm free at any time. Kasi nga like bed hagano kano kaporo. Okay, let's start. Kasi to alengin yastang. Who teach you to speak English? Kasi mano bahikai yapi ban grandparent. No one, but I learned little bit by reading newspaper, watching movies, and from social media. Kasi dan menuru Henry nganang mala da kabama ule god kubot bed film bat na kachuk start kaba menta. No one help you, but you try on your own. Keep doing your best. Kasi dan mano bayarap yapi Henry di bersang alamalay ng le susu ya kababhatan. I'm not perfect in English, but I try to help as much as I can. Kasi ngamday ubatibit ha kakten pareng Henry nga persyang banyarap kat kaba ngala. The generation that we live now, it's very easy for people to understand what people say. Kasi kachuk kaba ngiem menta kalong kabasok. Ya kiberiu bansngil to. Ya ka kaba kiberiu kiang. Why I said so? Because lots of teaching we find in social media like YouTube, Facebook, and so on. Kasi balay nga ong kumta namar shibon ba kijing hikay ngilap ha kajukstat kabamenta. Kum ha YouTube, Facebook, but kiway. So, by practice and hard work, you will get a result. Kasi te dakajeng persyang batray shitam hinsayo ya usa. Don't stop learning. Kasi what sange banang lane banti. We all want to know. Kasi baro nangi nikwa bantu.
We all want to learn. Kasi baro nangi ngikwa banang. We all start from nothing to something. Baro nangi ngisdang naka bumdon ai sha kabadon ai. If you want to learn, read. If you want to earn, learn. If you want to win, start. Kasi lada pikwa banang, pule lada pikwa ban kamay, nang shwa lada pikwa ban job, sedang. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye.